So we arrived in
Moquegua.
Where?
Moquegua, man.
Okay, we arrived in
Acapichu.
not Acapichu. So this little city is 2 hours away from Tacna, which we've just left Arequipa on the way to Tacna, and we stopped in this city which I can't pronounce just for one night. But some nice buildings around. We're just gonna go and find something to eat and get some sleep, and then tomorrow we do some more work and then head to another city. We're still on the road to Tacna. Tacna is South Peru, close to the Chile border. The Chile border maybe an hour away. So this is just a stop place in the middle of the desert. We're on this bus here and we're on the way to Tacna. So I hope Tacna is going to be an awesome place. And Tacna, so far, I don't know. I'll have a look around later, but quite an industrial area that we're in. Nothing but mountains around and deserts and not a lot else. I believe Tacna is one of the 10 biggest cities in Peru, according to Wikipedia. I'll find out later more about Tacna and I'll let you know. Comment below if you want to know any more about Tacna and what we're doing. Better get out of the way. So just a local market in the middle of the desert. Lots and lots of these market things. Go and see the city later. Apparently we're going to be eating guinea pig later, which I'm quite looking forward to. I hope it tastes as good as the Zhongshan pigeon. Just had a long day, travelled to Tacna, and now we are having food at this place called, I'm not sure, but it looks like a meat restaurant, so good job. Apparently there's no guinea pig here, but we'll see. So an end to an awesome trip. We just finished our tour of South Peru. Next will be Central Peru, and then north is the city of Tacna. Beautiful city, really on the Chile-Peru border. We're just about to head back, an 18-hour bus trip back to Lima, regroup, and then we'll see what journeys we have next. So fantastic time in Tacna, fantastic time in Arequipa, Ica, and everywhere else we went, and now the bus journey back. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.